What's up, G37 gang? I'm gonna start the video by saying, man, thanks to whoever's supporting me out there, whoever's commenting on my videos. You guys have gotten me to 600 subscribers. Before the update for YouTube, we were allowed to get monetized after 100 subscribers and make a little bit of cash. So now it's at 1,000, so I'm only 400 away. So, and all I can say is I appreciate the support, even though I haven't uploaded in probably 2-3 months, but I'm back at it again. And this is going to be a introduction video. Like I said, this is going to be an introduction video. Start with where my name came from. It's BukklaoG37. That's how it's pronounced. And I always get a lot of questions about what the hell does that mean, or where the hell did that come from. So here it is. The first part is because it means something in my language, and I'm Laos. So in Laos, Buklao means loud boy. And the second half, you guys already know. You can see what I drive, what my video is about. So I figured I'd just slap G37 on there to make it car channel appropriate. Yeah, man, it might not mean a lot to you guys, but to me, that name seems to fit. So that's how that came about. I don't know if this is important to you guys or not, but this is about me, which no one cares about. But my first name is James, and I'm 23 years old, so I consider myself young and pretty successful. Not as successful as some YouTubers, but I'm there. I got me a decent job, nice car, not a house yet, but I can care less what house I live in. I could live in a condo and own a business. That's my type of style. But yeah, just some small stuff about me. I don't want to take up too much time, because all you guys are worried about is this car. You guys want to know all about it, see it. That's more important. But saving the best for last. So that's a little fun fact about me. Yeah. And for my job, at the moment, I'm a technician, automotive technician. And I don't plan to work for somebody for too much longer. I'm hoping to open my own small shop. It's like a small detail shop, but we do like quick services and stuff. But that's my goals. But for this channel, I just want to start off with building up my G37 slowly but surely. Not as fast as most YouTubers, but hey man, progress is progress. But that's what mainly my channel is going to be about, me putting stuff on G37, upgrading it, just a lot of car stuff. And from time to time, if I get the chance to review like a dream car of mine or something, that'll be on there. And just little fun tips and show you how to do certain things. If you ever wondered how this is done, that is done, I'll show you how to remove stuff, put stuff on. That's pretty much what you'll see on my channel. There it is. So this is my baby girlfriend, Bay. 2011 G37 XS. Gotta show you guys that it's the XS. I think this is the best package you can buy. It's an all-wheel drive sport model. It's got the big fat brakes on there. As you can see, they come factory, which is probably like a $2,000–3,000 option. And you get the all-wheel drive with the transfer case in the front diff. That alone, if you needed that, price-wise, another $5,000. That's an $8,000 package, And I know what you guys are thinking right now is like, but the IPL is like the top of the line. Yes, but you're not getting, I want to say, the best bang for your buck is this one. Unless you're a diehard manual fan, then Yeah, because none of the all-wheel drive G's come in manual. But yeah, I think for the money, I think this is like the best package you can buy. Sports brakes, front diff, transfer case. That alone's $8,000. I don't care where you're going with that. That's expensive. But yeah. Besides all that, this is her. It's got 3.7, 330 horsepower. Probably a little more because I got painted calipers, painted engine cover. It's got hot air intakes. It's a K&N. I tried cleaning, but you guys blasted me for it. But to clarify on that video, the only reason why I didn't properly clean it is because I didn't have access to a water hose. You know, I wasn't outside of my house. I was outside of a grocery store in the back of the parking lot making that video. And painting, yeah, I fucked that up, but it looks alright, not too bad. And yeah, so on this car right now, what I have done to it is I got Ibach lowering springs on it. That's what she's sitting on. That's why she sits so flush. You know, she's not factory. And for my exhaust, I have Burke test pipes. And instead of opting for the super expensive catback exhaust, which is easily for this car $1,000 plus, so it's $2,000 if you want super quality. But I chose the $500 option, straight piped it from the Burke test pipes all the way back. And yeah, I get a lot of comments on my exhaust. They say it sounds like a Ferrari, Lamborghini, not to brag. But yeah, she does the job. I want to say I spent probably less than $1,000 on my exhaust, and she sounds pretty good. Besides the highway drone, but it's a race car. No one cares about highway drone. And yeah, she's got fully adjustable suspension. So upper control arms are adjustable, lower control arms in the back, which are basically camber arms. They don't really do much besides just the toe and the camber back there. Yeah, I mean, they got 10 horsepower stickers here, 30 horsepower sticker there, and another 10 on this side. And these wheels here, you can see I plasti dipped those, graphite metallizer. I think I did a pretty good job with that. And I don't know if I said it, but red caliper, got those done. Yeah, it's coming along well. It's coming along, but I definitely plan to either get this thing wrapped or buying the dip your car kit and changing it to something fancy, something crazy. I don't know if I want to change the wheel color, but you know, I'm not against it. I like the graphite metallizer. That shit looks good to me. I'm definitely gonna keep the stock 19s on here. They ride really well. They look good. Unless I find a good price on probably a set of RC10s or someone giving away a set of Bostons. I'll throw those on there. I don't know which ones, but if I come along a good deal, I think I'll do it. But as of now, that's where she sits, man. It's a really clean looking G37 for 2011. I mean, I think I take care of her, man. So I treat her good. All maintenance is done on it. So only maintenance that was crazy was probably just the tune-up, diff service, really. Belts, nothing major. Never had any like engine problems or alternators dying on me. And she's over 100,000. I ain't gonna lie. I had her since 2011. A long time. It's 18 now. You know, she's my daily driver. I have no other car. But yeah, people driving by. God damn it. The hard part of the video is all done. Guys, let me know in the comments, man. Anything you guys want to know, any future videos y'all want to see, how to take this apart, that apart, anything that'll help, man. And if you want anything that doesn't help, you guys want to say things that, you know, make you guys happy, then, you know, I'm glad to hear them. So just go ahead, put stuff in the comments, like this video, or subscribe if you're generous. You can subscribe or not, you know, it doesn't matter. I don't think that'll stop me. But yeah, I appreciate you guys' input. Yeah, just let me know if you guys want to know anything or see any other videos and want me to make something, do something. Just let me know. Thanks for watching.